So,
We've already played this game on hard, so should we? Should we go stronger enemies rough
I
survival?
think so. I really didn't remember anything from this game, so it's gonna be interesting.
Oh! Ah, Kelvin!
Okay.
Okay, so, I have a stick.
Kevin.
Kelvin.
Kevin. Kevin.
Oh, I miss Bo.
Oh, hello.
How can I make it quickly?
I'm here.
Hi! And there, right in front of us, there's a West Beach, 2 villages. Okay, let's go, cause like...
Wait.
Who? Who? Me? Oh, that was probably me. It's okay, Everyone,
Are you
follow me. Okay, we are in the sunny part of this island. If you step on this rock right here, you can see a beautiful view of 2 cannibal villages right in front of you. I do not recommend visiting. You could end up as a dinner, so...
Okay, so you need to navigate me.
Okay,
because
so...
I don't have.
Oh,
Oh, hello.
Jesus.
Oh, you have such a beautiful graphic. I have like mud.
I'm like, map!
No, I have like only mud.
But it will be so hard to, connect the videos.
I know. How did you?
I just jumped. I just, just
You're
go.
sliding down.
Yes. Are you jealous?
Ooh, I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm sliding.
you sliding.
I'm sliding.
You sliding. So, should I eat this?
What?
Oh, I can eat that. Yarrow. Oh, that's yarrow. Okay, let's go. We are really
have
close. You have stick?
I have
Are we like stick connected? Stick
Niche.
connected? We're stick connected?
What?
Stick connected? Oh, ooh, berries. Good? Oh, good berries. Oh,
Did I eat it?
can you
Cut.
Yes, cut him, please.
Oh, sure.
Oh, poor guy. I have a flashlight.
Okay, so where now? Oh,
Are you going to
there's-
be surprised if I say I have no idea?
But it was like somewhere down
Here.
there.
That
Yeah,
is so epic.
far.
Oh my goodness.
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
Where did you go? On our stats, me.
He's going after you. Oh, okay.
Oh, hi.
No,
Yeah, because I told him to
Kelvin.
follow me.
Like, how is it called?
Who?
That animal. Like, not deer, but like, how is it called?
I exactly know what you mean, but I have no idea, to be honest. No.
What?
Oh, that.
Who?
Here. Ha! Stick on you. Whoa, they are doing damage.
Where? He's so fast!
Ooh, okay, just don't go. Go, don't stop.
go.
Go, don't stop. Okay, maybe putting it on extra hard wasn't a good idea.
So,
Nice.
we're here.
Beach. So, as usual,
As usual. I'm cutting and you are building?
yes, I'm building a boat.
Okay.
Oh, okay, fire. But I want those platforms. I know I can do this by myself. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so we need...
Is it falling?
Medium
No.
platform? It isn't?
Why? They disappeared? Do you have some wood like down there?
Wood?
Yes.
No.
What happened? Where are the trees?
Like this? This looks nice, right? That stick just morphed into a log. That was interesting. Yeah, I need like 20 planks.
Okay, I'm
Half
gonna,
logs. So I
like-
need 10 logs.
Why such noises?
Oh, oh my, oh my, oh
Woohoo.
my, oh my.
What?
Nothing, I'm just scared.
Don't do this. If something attacked me, I do not see anything. Oh, go. Okay.
Who, me, who? What are you doing?
Nothing. But maybe this first night should be okay, no?
Yeah, say that and we'll have an attack.
No, we didn't.
Oh, oh. Oh, that
Ooh,
was me,
ooh,
that was
ooh.
me, that was me, that was me. This is Calvin.
Don't do that.
That's Calvin.
Do not say. What happened? It was you?
No, I'm down here.
Like, didn't.
Oh yeah, because I finished,
Ah.
you know.
I was so scared. Like,
Oh,
can I like have light and
interesting. And how? Why?
you don't
Can I
like
put
with
it
this
away?
light?
So come down. We'll sleep.
Okay. What? I see.
Come.
How many?
Three?
Where?
What am I supposed to do? I do not have help. I do not have help.
We need to
What are
like,
you gonna do? What are you gonna
fight
do?
them.
No. Wait.
Then what? What should I do?
Oh, I have a modern axe. Yes, go fight them. No, wait. What? Oh,
How did you switch? Like, where are they? We're okay?
is that okay? Good. I'm thirsty and starving. Perfect.
Me too. What are you doing?
Nothing.
You are like throwing at me.
Absolutely not.
Yes.
Absolutely not. Calvin, you are doing absolutely nothing. Go work.
What is he doing?
Nothing.
Oh. I'm so sorry.
Oh, look at that blood. Look at that
I'm
blood. Do
so
you see
sorry.
that?
How do I say like when I want to warn you?
Move?
Move is maybe lock storage, okay?
Yeah. Maybe like here? Like somewhere here?
Like this?
No, like here.
Here.
Yeah.
But I can.
And are you doing? Is that the big
Is it?
one?
I think so. How do I know? Like
I don't really know, but wasn't it bigger?
bigger?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No. Can I make a window? Oh, we'll see absolutely nothing. Maybe one more log. Yeah. A Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
And we can like now build like bolt to
Oh.
that thing,
Huh?
like there, you know, on that.
Yes, we can do rafts and we can go there. There.
Ooh. Okay, so I have some.
How do I?
I don't know.
Oh no. That not that.
We don't need fire now.
Pirates of Cannibal Island or whatever this is. Let's go. I'm gonna shit myself if I see shark in there.
Me too.
This is perfect. Do you remember we had to swim to that?
That's terrible. Yes, I have come. Okay, okay. Back.
This is
We
perfect.
need to fight with like. Oh, there is he. Oh no. What What should I do with fish? Oh, I can take it. Oh, okay.
Oh,
What?
guys are coming.
No.
Yeah. Calvin, you are not looking.
Oh,
Hi.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Hi. Hello. Do you wanna fight?
They are not attacking? Oh, why? What is she doing?
So are they like, studying us so they can approach us later?
I don't know. Maybe they are like more friendly now.
Why would they be more friendly when this is like extremely hard mode? Girl.
But look! She's not attacking. Now I don't have
Oh,
long
yes.
sticks. Only small sticks.
Come on, come on. No, long sticks are in green hell.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it is locked. It is good. Yeah.
Locked and like big hole.
It is in process. Because I'm thinking.
Okay.
I'm thinking, right?
Mhm.
Look.
I'm looking.
So,
What?
what are you doing? So, here will be another platform, right? And here will be another platform. And on this platform, there will be stairs to upper platform.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm also thinking maybe from this side, so we can sharpshoot, maybe from here. But I don't know yet.
Okay.
Perfect. Day 1 or 2.
Second. Yes. What is he doing?
What a good family camping. What a nice holiday.
Beautiful,
Oh my
beautiful.
goodness. Whoa! You.
This mini turtle. There's a mini turtle.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, I don't like this. Why so many? Where are you?
Down.
There he is.
Oh. Of course.
So what now?
Well, should we fight?
We need to. Where are they?
Let's go there, on my side. Oh, you have like so many, too many. Die.
I don't know where are you. I'm not fighting.
I'm coming.
Help!
You're coming. No, you did
I
not.
I'm here.
Where?
Why? I'm here. Like.
They look a little bit different than I remember.
Yeah,
Whoa, no.
I'm
F you. Not me!
I'm trying.
Behind you!
Where?
I have like gun also. I could have used that. I
You
absolutely could have used my gun.
And me too.
And you could have. No! Back! Run! Oh, okay. I thought that like that big guy would.
Now I'm standing like here and you are running.
I thought that's the one who chases you.
Oh, I don't know.
Who?
What?
I don't know. I see Fingy.
Yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever his name is. Oh god! Oh shush! No! Be careful, be careful, be careful. They are so strong on this.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Oh, where? No, I've literally died again.
Go, go, go. No, I died.
You died. No. You did not.
Okay, jump.
Oh no! We should really prepare ourselves. This is gonna be really hard.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go
That
back.
was short
Let's
adventure.
build. Let's build our base. This is not gonna work.
Need to be really careful.
Yeah, these
Wow.
enemies are like strong.
Everything.
We need to step up our game on, you know, ranged part. We will need to really fight on range.
Maybe some armor.
That would be really good. Armor would be
forgot.
actually
I
perfect.
forgot. There's car. There's car.
Yes! Oh, perfect.
So you
Oh,
can go.
look at him!
Yes. He's like, can I hug you?
Let's go, my terrain golf cart. Perfection. Oh my god! No, that didn't happen. He's alive, he's totally alive, he's perfectly fine. Nothing happened.
Go out.
Who?
Ooh. What?
Who barked at us?
I'm not so hungry.
Do you hear that?
What?
The screams.
Scream?
You don't hear that?
No. I hear them.
I don't know if my bravery is that high up.
What it was? What?
I don't know.
So you don't want to go? Or
Maybe we'll peek in. We'll just. No, don't worry. I've got it. Oh no, we are stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no.
I can
Wait.
go- Oh,
No.
Sorry. True.
Can you not, please? No! Oh no!
Are they here?
Yeah. Oh sheesh!
Really?
Yeah. You motherfucker. What are you doing? Oh god. Oh no! Fight me!
Why
Fight me!
That's horrible.
Come on! Oh no! I don't have one!
What happened?
What are you
I'm
dead?
dead.
Oh, you're